Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out list of 6 best camping cooking gear in 2021. You got to eat, as they say, and that's especially true when you're outdoors burning calories hiking, biking, climbing, and pitching tents. Camping gear is not limited to sleeping bags and lanterns, and having the right camping cookware and cooking gear will make your next gamble into the woods all that much more satisfying. When you're planning a camping trip, it always helps to be prepared, especially when it comes to food and water. That's why we compiled a list of 6 best camping cooking gear on Amazon based on personal opinion and average research. For further information, you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
Make cooking easy for the whole campsite with our cooking tripods. Our heavy-duty steel cooking tripod is designed around a sturdy steel construction. 3 stable legs keep it secured in place, and an adjustable S-hook chain can be raised or lowered for optimum temperatures while cooking. The S-hook is for suspending Dutch ovens, coffee pots, and more over a campfire. Next up is our tripod cooker with a 17-inch grill. This tripod collapses down to a compact design, making it great for camping, hunting, or even backpacking. The legs are made from lightweight galvanized steel and feature internal shock cords for locking into place. The grill can be raised and lowered by simply sliding the metal tab up or down the side leg. The grill surface is great for holding pots, pans, and coffee percolators while cooking over an open fire. And you can also cook directly on the grill surface. Whether you prefer to suspend your Dutch oven or utilize the grill surface over your campfire, we've got you covered with these 2 functional and easy-to-use tripods.
Enjoy a full camp kitchen with the BioLite Camp Stove Complete Cook Kit. Featuring the wood-burning Camp Stove 2 Plus, kettle pot, portable grill, coffee press, and Chroma Reel LED flex light, you can cook, boil, and grill with this fully integrated system. Turn fire into electricity with the Camp Stove's flagship thermoelectric technology and infuse wood-fired flavors into your backcountry meals. Brew coffee, sauté, or boil with the kettle pot, which also doubles as a carrying case for your stove. The grill cooks quick and packs up flat with an included travel cover. Use the included flex light to illuminate your cooktop at night with accurate color render technology. Expand your outdoor cooking with the Camp Stove Complete Cook Kit.
This is the Freescape Camp Kitchen Knife. It has a modified sheepsfoot point and a flat belly that's built for camp food prep. It's a solid 6.5 ounce knife with a fine straight edge and full tang high-grade steel construction. It comes with a durable sheath that protects the blade while not in use. It has a Santoku-inspired blade that's built for camp food prep. The dishwasher-safe, super grippy textured rubber handle helps this blade stay firmly in hand no matter the conditions. With bright green accents along the black rubber surface, it's easy to spot in your camp bin or around a dark campsite. This versatile blade will take your camp cooking to another level. This is the Freescape Camp Kitchen Knife.
The Stansport Outdoor Kitchen setup has everything you need to knock out an amazing meal in the woods, starting with a sturdy medium-density fiberboard tabletop. The tabletop is moisture-resistant with enough space for a prep and a cleanup sink. A lantern pole ensures that you'll always have enough light, and our handy-plated wire grid holds a spice rack, kitchen utensils, paper towel holder, and more. We've built this kitchen around a sturdy and aluminum frame for lightweight, durable performance. For extra storage, we've included a wire grid shelf at the bottom that can hold our 5-gallon collapsible water carrier that's sold separately. When it's time to clean up camp, the kitchen folds down seamlessly and packs into its own portable carrying case. Make your camp cooking experience even better with the Stansport Outdoor Kitchen.
We are wayfarers. The city is our wilderness, and the wilderness is our city. We believe that the outdoors is worth exploring and that there's no defined space for it. We journey, we explore, and we sweat to reach our destination. And let's be honest, we're not going to climb Mount Everest or swim across the Atlantic solo. We believe in unity and that moments are meant to be shared. So we create tools that are designed to help us explore, that are strong enough for the woods and sophisticated enough for the city. Introducing the Wolf & Grizzly Grill, a compact stainless steel grill that you can install within seconds. We've engineered the Wolf & Grizzly grill in 2 parts for simple assembly: a frame that you pull apart and a surface that you unroll and secure in place. And because there's no such thing as one fire fits all, the WG grill features 3 different height configurations: a high position to cook above a wood fire, a mid position for a charcoal barbecue in your backyard, and a flat mode that lets you use what you have around you to cook as high or as low as you feel compelled to. Compact and weighing about 1 kilogram, the grill is designed for easy transport and everyday use. And because of the carefully selected materials and finish, a beautiful patina develops over time. You'll be proud to watch this grill wear in, as it becomes a testament to your adventures.
Hi, I'm Lisa from Primus. Having a good set of tools when preparing your food in the outdoors makes life a lot easier. So let me introduce the Campfire Prep Set. The Campfire Prep Set is a bunch of utensils held together in a polycotton roll with a strap and a buckle to keep it close. It's easy to unfold and to keep close at hand when you do your cooking. So the pieces then. We have a knife with a 12 centimeter blade. It's got a full tank construction and an oak handle with brass rivets. The blade is flexible, which makes it easy for chopping, slicing and filleting even. And then we have the spoon, the spatula, and the fork, which all are great for a variety of things in cooking and serving your food. We've chosen oak for those as well, as it's very durable and also because it's antiseptic properties. And then we have the grater. It's stainless steel with micro cuts, perfect for your Parmesan cheese or your garlic. And the roll has got a coated inside, which makes it easy to clean, which is very nice. And the knife is kept in place with some magnets. The utensils with straps, and the grater has a protective cover like that, and also held together with straps. The roll has 2 pockets of mesh where you can keep spices or a small bottle of oil or whatever you might need for your cooking. And then you can also have it hung in the strap like that. Happy prepping!